Subtitles in a movie help us to understand it easily. Make sure you have downloaded these files, links available in the description of this video. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, I will show you that there is no any subtitle file in the movie by opening the file. You can see that there is no any subtitle file right now, but that will be available in the end. Type in the name of your required movie subtitles file and select your desired language. From the search results, look at the flag that represents the language, as here is shown the flag of England, which means that this file contains English subtitles. Click on one of the results and click download to get the file in your PC storage. Once the file get downloaded, open that containing folder. Extract the file using RAR or Windows File Extractor to extract subtitles file. Open that SRT extension file and check the subtitle language. You can see that all the dialogues are added with their timestamps, which are well synced with the movie timeline. Now we have the subtitles file. Let's download the software to inject that subtitles file on that movie. Open the link and download MKVToolNix setup file. Once the file get downloaded, install it on your PC. Select the language here in which you want to use the software. Wait until the required remaining files get downloaded. Select the language again and install the software to your PC. After successfully installing the software, open it to inject subtitles in your movie. Open MKVToolNix from the Start menu. Open the folder which contains the movie file. Simply drag and drop the movie file onto the software. You can see two files inside a movie, one is video and the second one is audio. Now open that folder that contains subtitles file. Drag and drop that file too on the software. Do not change anything from here, just click OK. You can see the third file is showing up with the two other files here. Click on that file to set the name of that subtitle file for the movie. Click on multiplexing to start merging the files into one movie file. This bar shows the total progress of the file multiplexed. Once the file get multiplexed, open the same folder where the movie was saved and open the file to check it. As you can see, the subtitles are now visible and have been added in the movie. They are also visible in the subtitles menu with the name that we had allocated to the file. click on any of the video to watch more helpful content. If you want more content, please subscribe our channel.